It's getting so hard and so competitive to send your messages to potential customers or colleagues at work. There's so many different form factors right now that we have to compete with. iPhones, Android handsets, tablets, watches, etc. So less is always more, and here's a couple of tips on how to get your message across in fewer words. Number one, assume that every message that you send, each word costs you $100. Number two, after you write each sentence in an email or a correspondence, I want you to ask yourself two words. So what? Is it important enough to keep this in or not? Number three, use pictures as much as you can. People pay attention when you have images. I find that nowadays when I'm giving corporate presentations, more people aren't paying attention because there's just so many distractions, especially with iPhones and Android handsets. And so I use a lot more pictures now when I present, and I find that it really helps out. I mean, there's a reason why Instagram and Pinterest are so successful. And the last one is this. If you send a message, make sure you have the bottom line in the subject line or a summary in the first sentence if it's a long message. Otherwise, I promise you, it won't get read. If this was helpful, and only if this was helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. I kept this one short, and I'll see you mañana. Thank you.